guys, welcome to my first video. My name is Andy and I'm going to be showing you guys something different. It's this rectangle. You see my Bandicam there, that's what I use to record. Anyway, so this is my desktop. It's not all my stuff. So anyway, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to record stuff on a program called Scratch, which is a game. You record stuff, what do I mean? I mean like make games. So basically you'll start off with this little cat if you want. Right, so first of all guys, today I'm just going to show you how to make a background. I'll make a little series on it, and it'll be like making a little maze game. So first thing you want to do, you're going to want to install Scratch. It's just go to the web page in the description. I think that's where I'm going to put it anyway. If not, then I'll just type it into your browser later on in the video. So I've only got 10 minutes to do this, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go delete your cat, and then you'll be left with this stage, and then you just want to call this whatever you want. So I'm going to call it Maze 1, and we're going to click Edit. So now what you can do, you can fill it. So I'm going to fill it a cyan colour. And say if we're gonna make a maze game. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to make it so that if you bump into these orange lines, or if you go off the orange lines, then you have to go back to the beginning. Sounds a bit mental, but it's doable. I've done it before. It's fun. So I thought you guys might like to see a series on this. If you do want to see a series, then please hit the like button, look down below. That'd be great if I could hit 4 likes on my first video. That'd be good. So anyway, what I'm doing here, I'm just using these tools right here just to show me what I'm doing. I can't speak properly today. But basically, these tools let me create a background. So say if you don't want it, click the clear button. So we're just gonna fill this in. And we're gonna put in some clouds. You can't actually put like characters in, but they're called sprites. I'll get to that on a later date, but today I'm just gonna be showing you how to make your background. So let's just make a couple of clouds, because why not? I mean, it's gonna be a game, so we might actually make a playing game, and you've got to avoid the clouds. It's a nice idea. Now I'm just gonna make a big yellow sun. Have it hiding in the corner. And anyway, if you do make a mistake, you can just click the undo button. And if you just want to make it so that the sun's like partially hiding like this, just do that. Then get your can and right. Sometimes it can fail like this, so it'll go a bit messed up. That's alright though. It happens every now and then. So enough of this babble stuff. Then I'm just gonna get into just making this, and then just make a maze. Let's get a purple. Why not? And let's make it so that you're gonna have to spawn on somewhere. We'll make a green starting point in here, and then the rest of the pipes are just going to be this colour. I'm going to try and keep these videos as short as I can, because I don't want them to be too long and boring. But it's when we get into all the commands and stuff, that's when it gets interesting. So, say that's all you really want for your maze. And then it will show up here. Then just press this button and it will show it full screen, so it doesn't look too bad. Anyway, so now what you want to do, you want to add a character, but we're not going to do that today. I'm just going to show you, actually we might as well. So I'm going to just, over here you'll see this little window, which is the new sprite window. So if you click on this, it will open up this little folder file thing, and click on transportation. If you're gonna follow this along, then just do what I do, and then get in an aeroplane. But it's too big to fit through these pipes, so we're just gonna shrink it really big, or really small even, and we are going to put it on here. Now what we want to do, we want to make it so you're going to want a control button. So when green flag is clicked, move. Right, so this is how you make it move. So 10 is too fast. So let's just put 5. Now when I press the green flag, it will move 10 forwards. That's not what we want. Well, it kind of is. But we'll move forward 5 steps. But this motion thing here, you're going to want to click, point towards, and then put that underneath. And then, see this drop down? You need to change that to mouse pointer, and now watch this. Wherever my mouse goes, this plane goes. Right. So, next thing you want to do, so you got that script out the way. Next thing you're going to want to do is, right, control, when green is clicked, and then you're going to want this forever if, and then in the if you put touching colour. And now what you need to do, just to get the right colour, you take this and then you just click it on that colour. So, watch this now. So if I do this and then I put go to X200Y136, which is where our plane is now. So watch this. If I accidentally run into one of the walls, it'll send me back to the start. So that's going to do it for this episode of creating a maze game in Scratch. If you guys did like the video and you do want to see more, then please do like down below. So yeah, and I will see you guys later.